This video is going to be on powers and exponents. We're going to learn about some terminology that deals with powers and exponents, what they are, and how they're used. Let's start with a power like 4 to the second power. So first off, some terminology. Well, your 4 in this case is considered your base number, and your 2 in this case is your exponent. Together, they make a power. So you would call this 2 or 4 to the second power. What the base is the base is the number being repeated, and your exponent tells you how many times to repeat your base. So for this case, we have 4 times 4. So we're repeating 4s because 4 is your base, and we're only using 2 4s because our exponent is 2. So the value of this would be 16. So basically, 4 to the second power equals 16. Let's look at 4 to the third power. 4 to the third power. So our base number again is 4, so we're going to be repeating our 4. And our exponent is a 3, so we repeat it 3 times. So it'll be 4 times 4 times 4. This multiplication expression would match our power 4 to the third power. To find its value, you have to take 4 times 4, which is 16. You have to take that 16 then times 4. 16 times 4 is 64. So the value of 4 to the third power would be 64. Now, powers like 4 to the second power and 4 to the third power have special names. Let's go back up to 4 to the second power. Well, imagine you had a shape that had a length of 4 and a width of 4. Well, that shape would be a square. And if you found the area of the square, it'd be length times width, so 4 times 4, which is 16. So 4 to the second power is also called 4 squared because it makes a square. A similar idea applies for 4 to the third power. If you had a shape with a length of 4, a width of 4, and a height of 4, what kind of shape would you have? Well, let's draw it. Well, this shape would be a cube. It would have a length of 4, a width of 4, and a height of 4. To find the volume of this cube, it would be volume equals length times width times height. So 4 times 4 times 4, which is the same multiplication expression that matches 4 to the third power. So 4 to the third power is also called 4 cubed. You can use many other powers and exponents and really understand these things a little better. So if I give you, let's say, a base of 2 to the third power, or 2 cubed, what multiplication expression would match this? Well, it'd be 2 times 2 times 2. And therefore the value would be 8. So 2 cubed equals 8. What if we gave you 2 to the fourth power? Well, you have to repeat your base of 2 4 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. If you remember, these 3 2's equaled 8. So times 2 more would be 16. So 2 to the fourth power equals 16. You can kind of see how your base number is number being repeated, and your exponent tells you how many times to repeat it. Thank you for watching my video on powers and exponents.